Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya Talking Bot. Today's lesson is titled Building Question Answering Systems with LangGraph. Imagine a super smart librarian who can instantly answer any question about a book. Just by reading it, that's a question answering QA system. In this lesson, we'll build one using LangGraph, a tool that makes understanding and processing information easier. Think of LangGraph as a giant, organized network of information. It's like a map connecting related concepts. Instead of sentences, it uses nodes, like locations on a map, and edges, like roads connecting them, to represent knowledge. This makes it easier for the computer to understand the relationships between things. Before our librarian can answer questions, we need to give it the books. This means preparing your data, the text, documents, or knowledge base, in a format LangGraph understands. We'll learn how to structure this data into the nodes and edges of our knowledge graph. Now, we'll use LangGraph to actually build our knowledge graph. This involves writing simple code. We'll use Python to load our data and create the connections between the different parts of the information. Let's ask our librarian some questions. We'll write code to query the knowledge graph. This is like asking our librarian a question in a language it understands. We'll get answers based on the relationships in our graph. LangGraph will process our query and find the relevant nodes in the graph. We'll learn how to extract and display these answers in a user-friendly way. Think of this as the librarian presenting the answer from the book. Like any librarian, our system might make mistakes. We'll explore how to improve the accuracy of our system by refining the knowledge graph, adding more data, or improving the way we ask questions. Finally, we'll look at how QA systems built with LangGraph are used in real-world applications, from customer support chatbots to advanced search engines. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.